fucking vegan.
Be like Joe Bartolozzi.
Be fucking vegan.
Tap into your empathy.
Be fucking vegan.
Come on and sing the song.
Be fucking vegan.
And Google watch thatvegan.com.
Be fucking vegan.
Thanks, Joe. I'm here at a secondhand store. We donated a bunch of things, and now I'm walking around to encourage you to buy things at a place like this because it actually matters more than most people realize. Every time we choose something secondhand, we're making a quiet but powerful decision. We're saying no to overproduction, no to waste, no to the constant demand for new that's putting so much pressure on the planet we share. Because the truth is, this planet isn't just ours. It's home to billions of animals, and right now, their habitats are being destroyed, their water is being polluted, and their air is being filled with toxins, all to keep up with a system that tells us we always need more. More clothes, more gadgets, more stuff. But when you step into a place like this, you start to see something different. You see, we already have enough. Everything here had a life before. It was made, used, and instead of being thrown away, it's being given another chance. And that simple idea, reuse instead of replace, can reduce the demand for new production, which means fewer resources taken from the earth. Making new things doesn't just happen. It takes land, it takes water, it takes raw material, and very often it comes at the expense of animals who lose their homes or are directly exploited in the process. So when you buy secondhand, you're not just saving money, you're helping reduce that harm. You're helping protect forests that would otherwise be cut down. You're helping to keep the rivers cleaner. You're helping create a world where animals are not constantly pushed aside for human consumption and convenience. And the best part? It's easy. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to change everything overnight. But just choosing secondhand when you can, it's already a step towards a kinder, more thoughtful way of living. This is a way that respects the planet, not as something we own, but as something we share. So next time you need something, consider coming to a place like this first, because small choices, repeated over time, don't stay small. They actually add up. And for the animals, and the environment, and for our future, that matters more than we think. Do you go to secondhand stores? Do you ever donate to them? If so, let us know in the comments below. This channel is for kind-hearted people who want to share and learn and make the world a better place. So subscribe and hang out with us. Let the animals live. Let the animals live. They never did a single thing to hurt you, so let the animals live. Let the animals live. Eat veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds. This is the sacrifice you can give. Heaven will thank you for these good deeds. God will be pleased if you just let the animals live. The sins of your past God will forgive if you just let the animals live. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right